Hi guys, how are you doing? I am very glad to listen it that you are regularly watching my video, and I hope you are learning something from my video. So today I am on the terrace to telling you something which is very important nowadays because now time is very crucial and everyone is busy, and that's why today I thought that why don't make a video which is very very important, and it when you see it, when you see this video, and you can get lots of benefit. So you are watching English education with Ashok, and today life is very busy, as you know, and it's very mandatory to all of us. We also take out some time and do the things which is very necessary. Yes, so today is 21st June 2026, and if you are recalling, then you absolutely recall it in right way that this is the day when meditation declared as a international yoga day, right? So meditation is very necessary if you want to happy life, if you want to go away from distress, then you must do at least 15 minutes from starting. But most of the scholar, one who knows more about it, you to say that whose age is there, they can start it from that time. So if you don't get my point, suppose that your age is 40 years old, then you should start, you should do it at least 40 minutes. Yes, so this is meditation. But meditation is what? Meditation is just like a practice where you focus your brain. So when you do it, we always pay attention on our uh, breath, how you are inhaling and how you are exhaling. So this is the things which you do every day. It's not a very complex work which you can't do. So when you do it, you get lots of benefits. As you know that today life is very busy, and everyone is busy in their life because there are lots of problems, and everyone runs to the doctor for their good health. So if you start doing these things, then you don't need to go to the doctor mostly, because there are so many benefits when you started this. So first things which I want to tell you that it reduce your stress. Yes, it's very right. When you do it, it reduce stress. Yes, as you know that there are so many problems, and you don't know how to solve it, how to resolve it, then you can do it, and you probably see the result after one day. Yes, and it is also benefit to the different types of illness, different types of chronic disease. Just it reduce your lots of anxiety, depression, and stress. So you must do it, and you also know that mind is very powerful things, and it work on when you are do it regularly. It also need some time for you. Basically, when you do it, there are so many benefits, and you when you do it, it started like your you just getting you learning the things very quickly, and it help you, and it improve your sleep quality, and you sleep very well. So this way you can do it, but I don't know, I didn't know early, because I don't used to just do it, but now I regularly do it, and I get lots of benefit. So once again, I request all the learners, all the guys, please do it, because our life has full of problems, and everybody want to just get rid of these problems, so that you can do it. So thank you for watching, and if you like, then you subscribe, share to the friends, so that they can also get benefit from my video. Yes, it's a very necessary. Please support me right now. When you support it, only you have chance to also you go ahead when you support. So we should always support each other, because supporting is just like a medicine, and you don't need to do only to do most of the things. Only you just button up the like and share, and you subscribe. So thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care, and have a good and happy life, and do it meditation. So this was the topic which I, whatever I know, I try to tell you, and you do it. Yes, and you get benefit. Thank you for watching.